Hi Ronan, welcome to our Cyber Circle event 2025, as before last year. Today we are together with Mr. Ronan Murphy to hear his feedback about our event. Could you please introduce yourself?
Absolutely. My name is Ronan Murphy. I am the Chief Strategy Officer with Forcepoint. We are absolutely delighted to be here today. Very exciting event for us. I was at this event also last year, and it is bigger and better this year, so we're delighted to be participating.
So as you said, you also participated the last year. So how is the event going for you this year? So what are your thoughts about Cyber Circle, and how do you find Cyber Circle so far?
I think it is a really high caliber event, both the vendors who are participating, but more importantly, the customers that are here. We have some of the leading organizations in Turkey participating, and we are having some very good and informed discussions from a cyber, a governance, a risk and a compliance perspective.
Could you please give more information about your company? What will be your strategic priorities for upcoming year, looking ahead to the next 5 years? So what do you see as the most critical focus?
That is a great question. In Forcepoint, all of our focus as an organization is at the data layer, and data over the last 36 months, I would argue, has become more important than ever before. And the reason for that is we have regulators looking at data, we have the enterprise trying to derive value from data with AI, and we have hackers looking for data. So Forcepoint, our focus is at the data layer. Data in the cloud, data in databases, data in applications, and data which is being shared by users on the network and in collaboration tools. So we are operating in probably the fastest growing sector of InfoSec, which is helping organizations to discover, to classify and to protect their data.
Perfect. During the event, actually which topics have came up most in your conversations with the customers? What are the main topics in their business plan?
Well, there's one topic, and one topic has been far and away exceeds every other topic, and that is AI.
Yep.
How does an organization operationalize AI safely? And there is not just one type of AI. There's Copilot, there's agentic AI, there's large language models, there's applications that all are powered by AI. And the leaders attending this event are trying to understand, how do we share our data with AI in a safe, a secure and a compliant manner? So Forcepoint is helping them discover and classify that data so that they understand what guardrails are around their AI initiatives. And I think that is a super interesting conversation, because it's not just about security, it's also about helping them become more operationalized with cutting edge technologies.
Can we say that the AI is being used for a while for the business units as well as the attackers? So the AI is being used by the security vendors to protect the data now.
Absolutely. So we're seeing artificial intelligence companies in cybersecurity using that tooling, but I would argue that the bad guys are also using it just as effectively, and a lot of people watching us here today will see the quality of the phishing emails now. They are not written by a human, they're written by a chatbot. But where we see a big opportunity is actually helping companies use AI in cyber tooling to protect themselves, but also understanding how can they use AI for their finance or their HR or their research and development. And if you want activate those systems in your organization, you need to understand data. And that's where we come in. So AI is coming at these companies in many different ways, which is both terrifying, but also extremely exciting.
Really appreciate to have you this year as well in our event. Hopefully we will see you next year with the new upcoming topics.
Absolutely, I look forward to it.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.